Hi and welcome back to my baking adventures. Today I'm making the classic flapjack recipe where you need butter, sugar, golden syrup and oats. So you mix the butter, the sugar and the golden syrup till it all melts, but not boils. Give it a stir till they're all nicely mixed in. Once they've mixed, give it a stir and add your 250 grams of oats. Add the oats in, give it a stir till it's all mixed nicely. Make sure this is mixed really well so the oats are completely covered. Once this is done, transfer into a tin and press down lightly. And then push down firmly into your tin. Place into an oven and cook at 180 Celsius for 15 minutes till golden. Once done, let it cool off for a little while before you cut into squares. Serve up with a cup of tea, coffee or a glass of milk for the kids. Enjoy!